Welcome back to Rev.io PSA University. Before your users can link their Outlook calendars to PSA, an administrative user with permission to do so must configure the integration and make it available to PSA users. This is a two-step process. In this video, we'll cover how an admin user will configure the integration to make it available. There will be a separate video covering linking your specific Outlook calendar to PSA after the integration is configured and available. Let's get started. Navigate to the Admin menu and click Integrations Library. If you do not see the Outlook calendar integration listed on the dashboard on the summary page, it has not yet been configured for your team. To begin the administrative configuration required to allow users to link their calendar, a user with permission to do so will click on the Marketplace tab. Scroll through the list of available integrations and click on Outlook to PSA Calendar Sync. In the pop-up window that appears, click Configure. You won't have to change anything on this screen, just click Next. Again, the information auto-populates, so just click Next on this screen. And the same thing on this next screen. Everything should auto-populate. Don't change anything and just click Next. On this screen, you can change the number of days in the past and in the future that you wish to sync. Once you set the days to sync, click Next. You shouldn't need to change anything on this sync schedule screen. The PSA to Outlook sync occurs at specific minutes past each hour, like the 3rd, 13th, 23rd, and so on. And the Outlook to PSA sync occurs at other intervals, like the 8th, 18th, and so on. The system syncs every 5 minutes by default to catch both directions of the integration. From Outlook to PSA, all calendar events sync, regardless of whether the user is the owner of the event or just an attendee. However, it will only sync events where the user is an attendee if the owner of the Outlook event is also a PSA user, as the event must be mapped to an owner. From PSA to Outlook, the integration will only sync calendar events where the user is the owner of the event. You'll just click Finish on this screen. You will be routed to the summary page of the Outlook to PSA calendar sync as the configuration is complete. The second step is now for every user to perform the user-level configuration. As the admin, you can now step through this process immediately from here, or there is a separate training video on this process where you can access this option as the other users on your team will do. That's it for configuring the Outlook integration. Thanks for watching. Make sure to visit the Help Center in Rev.io PSA to access the video training library for more training videos. You can also search for articles on any topic or access our full suite of product documentation from there. See you next time.